and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a haul from Chanel. So I got a few pieces from their new Factory 5 collection, and I got a lot of their exclusive pieces that I'm very excited to share with you guys. Okay, also the Chanel Factory 5 collection launched this week to celebrate 100 years of Chanel No. 5. This is a limited edition collection and most items are already sold out. So I actually ended up going to the Chanel store at the Domain in Austin. I absolutely love the store. Everyone's so nice. I personally work with Sarah, so I highly recommend her if you're in the Austin area, but everyone there is so nice. But there are a lot of items in here and a lot of freebies that I'm excited to share with you guys. So let's open everything up. All right, so inside of here we have an up-close look of the entire collection. I will reference this throughout the video for the items that I did purchase. So let me put this to the side. All right, so this little bag was one of their freebies that they included. There is also a mini sample in a little Chanel perfume bottle. That's so adorable. And then there are also these cute little cupcake holders as well that they gave. So these were all of the freebies that I got from the store, and I love them all. They're just so cute. And then actual items in the collection that I purchased. So first is one of the first things that sold out. So I was actually on a wait list for this, but I did get the water bottle. This is a glass water bottle. It has the logo. It has like a nice silicone on it. So that was the first item. And then this is completely sold out in stores and online. So I think they said I got one of the last ones in the country, so they're not going to make any more of these. These were limited editions. So we have that. I will have links to everything down below that is available. I'll link the water bottle too, just in case, but they are limited edition, so I don't think that they would restock them. After that, we have the purse spray. So this is perfect to carry in your purse, or it is TSA approved, so you can take it with you if you are traveling this summer. And then after that, we have the No. 5 bath tablets. So this is a tin of 10 bath tablets. And when you're done, this is such a cute tin. I'm definitely gonna keep this in my office and keep planning supplies in it. But it's really cute. It has like a matte white finish. And then again, there's 10 bath tablets in here. And then they are individually packaged. I don't wanna open it up just yet, but just to show y'all, the tablets are individually packaged. So if you want to use the tin for something right away, you could do that as well, and then just have the tablets somewhere in your bathroom. But I love the design of all of these items. So we have that, and then the last item that I purchased is the mystery box. So this is very European, and I really love it. So if you're German like me, you know that this is where they put bonbons for back to school. So kids get a cone like this and then they put a lot of treats inside. And so that's technically what Chanel's doing. So this is a little cone full of treats. So let me see how I can open this. All right, so inside of here you have 4 different items. So you have a towel. So if you submerge this in water, it becomes a small towel. There is also a nail file in here. And then you get this little bag to carry everything in with hand cream. So the hand cream alone is $55, and I believe this was $65. So For an additional 10, you also get the nail file, a towel, and then something to carry it in. But this is the number 5 hand cream, and again, it has that matte finish like everything else. And then that is everything that comes in the cone. And then that is everything that I got at the store. So again, I am obsessed with all of this. I absolutely love Chanel. I love number 5. And yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all haven't checked it out yet, again, I'll have links to everything below. There's a lot of other items. Things are selling out though, so do keep that in mind. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.